I am deserving by nature. I am peace and emotional balance. I begin by grounding myself in stillness. I feel my breath slow and steady. With each inhale, calm enters my body. With each exhale, emotional tension dissolves. I imagine my nervous system settling into balance, like water becoming smooth after movement. I visualize myself responding to life with peace instead of reaction. Situations no longer control my inner state. I hold space between stimulus and response, and in that space, I choose calm. Peace becomes my power, not my escape. I understand that emotional balance attracts clarity, health, and harmony. I no longer carry unnecessary weight. I choose emotional discipline daily. I am peace within myself. I am emotionally balanced and grounded. I am disciplined in calm responses. I am releasing emotional noise. I am choosing clarity over chaos. I am centered in every situation. I am steady under pressure. I am aligned with inner harmony. I am safe in stillness. I am peace embodied. I am confidence and self-trust. I draw my awareness inward and feel a deep sense of trust in myself. My posture strengthens naturally. My breath becomes full. I imagine moving through the day with quiet certainty, trusting my decisions and my timing. I visualize myself taking action without hesitation. Confidence flows because I trust my inner guidance. I am no longer searching for approval. I am rooted in self-belief. I understand that confidence attracts opportunity. Self-trust creates momentum. I choose to stand fully in who I am. I am confident in myself. I am trusting my inner wisdom. I am disciplined in self-belief. I am grounded in certainty. I am secure in my decisions. I am releasing self-doubt. I am aligned with my strength. I am capable and clear. I am self-assured. I am alignment and flow. I imagine life flowing toward me effortlessly. I stop resisting and allow alignment to guide me. My movements feel natural. My thoughts feel ordered. I am no longer forcing outcomes. I visualize doors opening naturally. Conversations flow. Timing aligns. When I am in flow, everything feels easier because I am not fighting myself. I choose alignment over urgency. Flow becomes my standard. I am aligned with life. I am allowing flow. I am disciplined in surrender. I am releasing resistance. I am trusting the process. I am moving with ease. I am open to alignment. I am flowing naturally. I am supported by life. I am in harmony. I am gratitude and appreciation. I focus on appreciation. I feel gratitude rise gently within my chest. I notice what is already working. My breath. My awareness. This moment. I visualize gratitude amplifying everything it touches. Appreciation multiplies abundance. I no longer wait for perfection to feel grateful. Gratitude becomes my daily discipline. I understand that appreciation attracts more to appreciate. I am grateful now. I am disciplined in appreciation. I am noticing abundance. I am thankful for my journey. I am grounded in gratitude. I am attracting more good. I am appreciative of progress. I am aligned with abundance. I am content and growing. I am grateful by choice. I am disciplined in daily alignment. I visualize myself committing to alignment daily. Each morning, I return to myself before the world speaks. Discipline feels supportive, not restrictive. I show up consistently. I see my life improving because I honor this practice. Small actions compound. Identity forms through repetition. Alignment becomes who I am. I no longer wait for motivation. I rely on discipline. I am disciplined in alignment. I am consistent in practice. I am choosing growth daily. I am committed to my energy. I am grounded in repetition. I am building momentum. I am aligned with my future. I am honoring my process. I am showing up fully. I am becoming who I choose. I am worthy and deserving. I settle into a calm awareness of my own worth. I feel it in my posture, in my breath, in the way my body relaxes when I no longer question my value. Worthiness is not something I earn. It is something I remember. I imagine releasing old beliefs that told me I had to prove myself to receive good things. I visualize myself standing fully in self-acceptance. I stop shrinking. I stop overextending. I allow myself to take up space comfortably. Life responds differently when I no longer block abundance with self-doubt. I feel lighter as I accept my worth completely. Deserving becomes natural. Receiving feels safe. I am aligned with the knowing that I am enough exactly as I am. I am worthy of love. I am deserving of health. I am deserving of wealth. I am disciplined in self-acceptance. I am releasing unworthiness. I am grounded in self-respect. I am open to receiving good. I am enough now. I am aligned with self-worth. I am deserving by nature.